so basically I've done all of my hair except for this one section. It's taking me about 6 almost hours to do all of this, but I was distracted because I was watching the homecoming thing on Netflix, so I was a little distracted. But I'm just gonna do this on camera. I've done Marley twists on camera before, because I do Marley twists like every year on my hair just because they're really easy to do and they're so versatile. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do them on camera and just hop right into it. So the only things I'm using for this is just some water, a leave-in conditioner, and then some shea butter. So all that I do on each section is I just spray my hair down with water, and as you can see, my hair isn't stretched or anything. I don't have to blow dry my hair for this style, which is another reason why I like doing Marley twists, because you can do them on just washed hair. And another thing is I can use a lot of moisturizer and it's okay, whereas other styles like using a lot of moisturizer like make your hair really slippery. But with this one, like, it's okay. So I'm just gonna spray it and then I'm going to apply my leave-in, and I'm using the Natural Club one. Now I'm going to start twisting. So the hair that I'm using is from Vanessa, and it's the Marley braid hair. And I get mine in the color 1. Whenever I have braids or twists, I like to just do like the jet black. So the first thing I'm going to do is do a row just going straight down in the back, and then the rest of them are just going to be horizontal rows. Okay, and then on that section I'm going to put the shea butter all the way from the ends up to the root. And then with the hair, I'm just going to take 2 of the strands. It's already kind of pre-sectioned, so I'm just taking 2 of them to have this size twist. I've done some that are thicker and I used 3, but I'm just doing 2 since they're a little bit smaller. And I'm going to kind of layer the ends so that for one, it'll make them a little bit longer because these are like at my waist, and it just kind of tapers off at the bottom, so just gonna have them like that. And then you can do the invisible roots method, which is where you actually twist and go down, but I'm gonna just do a braid at the root because it's just easier and quicker. But the invisible roots method is also very easy. For whatever reason, when I do see other people's hair, I do the invisible roots method because it's easier for me to do it on other people, and on me it's easier for me to start with a braid. So I'll show you guys when I get closer to the front how it actually looks, but if you do want to do the invisible roots method, I do have a video on that that I did a long time ago, like when my channel was very new. So I'll have it up in the cards if you want to see how to do the invisible roots method. But I'm gonna go ahead and twist the back, and then once I get closer out, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it. show you guys again what I'm doing. So again, I'm just adding the shea butter. And this is both to moisturize my hair as well as to like help my hair from sticking out. And I don't use any edge control. I just use the Shine and Jam on areas that I'm more likely to part my hair. So right in the middle I use Shine and Jam just to define my parts, as well as on the sides, but I don't use it in the front because the shea butter honestly kind of grips the hair. So like I said, I'm going to take 2 pieces of the Marley braid hair and I'm going to kind of layer it or whatever at the bottom. And then what I'm going to do again is just to braid it at the base, which again is easier. I mean, honestly, the invisible roots method is easy as well, but also braids help it to last a little bit longer. So all I do is put the Marley hair on top, and I just use my hair as the 3rd strand of the braid. So I literally just start braiding. It's not hard at all. And I just braid down a few times, and then once my hair gets back into the middle, I don't know if you can do that, but once my hair is back in the middle here, then I'm going to split my hair in half and put some with one side of the Marley hair and then the other with the rest, and I'm just going to start twisting down. So when you're twisting, you want to actually twist the hair as you're twisting down, because if you do a regular 2-strand twist, it's going to like unravel. So you have to twist it in your fingers before you actually twist it. So twist and turn, twist and turn, just like that. And you have to do that all the way down, not just with your hair, but the entire length of the twist. Because then, like I said, it's gonna unravel, or the twist is just gonna like get kind of poofy, fluffy, whatever you want to call it, and it might not be what you're looking for. So you just want to make sure that you're twisting all the way down. And then at the root, no matter whichever method you do, whether braiding or the invisible roots, you're going to probably, it might start pulling at the base, and you don't want that. So if it does, just use a clip to keep it from twisting. This one isn't really twisting, so I'm okay, but it will be just pulling if you don't do anything about it, and you don't want to do that. So I'm still twisting. I know y'all can't see it, but I'm twisting all the way down. If there's any extra that like I can't really twist it with anything, I'm just going to split it in half and then just continue to twist, because I don't want to just stop twisting, because it is going to probably unravel a little bit. So you want to make sure that you're twisting all the way down to the very bottom. And just like that. So I'm done twisting, so now I'm just going to go seal my ends with hot water, and then I will be right back. Alrighty, so I just finished sealing the ends, and my hair is really wet right now. Okay, so just stay tuned for the final look. Alrighty, so this is the final look. of my hair. I think it took me about like 7 hours to do my hair, which is probably the longest it's ever taken me to do Marley twists on me. And I think that's just because I guess I did more this time, because it usually only takes me like 4 hours, honestly. So yeah, but like I said, I was watching Homecoming while I was doing my hair, and I kept stopping to sing and dance, so that probably added to my time. But yeah, it did take me a while. I actually had really bad like hand and arm pain on my right hand after doing this, I guess from twisting. I don't know what happened this time, but yeah. But I do like how they came out. It's very full, and one thing that I really do like about Marley twists are that they are very lightweight. So even though I do have like a full head of these, it's not heavy at all. Like I said, I have 3 actual parts. So I have 2 on the side and then 1 in the middle. Because of how my hair is styled, you can't really tell, but I do have 3 like actual parts for me to part my hair however I want, so that I can style it however I want. Like I said, I do Marley twists like every year just because they are so easy. My hair just really benefits from Marley twists, so I definitely recommend them, and they're really great for beginners as well. If you've never done them before, it's a very easy style to do. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified when I do post, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.